The next thing I'm going to be showing you how to do is how to make this nice glass text with a glow behind it. Let's get started. First, we need to come into GIMP and create our text. You want it to be a bold font, and I suggest Verdana Bold, but it's just a suggestion. Pick a bold font. I'm going to type in some text. Glass text will work fine. Make it big enough so that it only takes up one line, but takes up the full line. It won't work well if it takes up 2 lines. Alright, so that's good. The next thing that we need to do is select down here, Path from Text. Then we come to our ellipse tool. You can also use the rectangular tool, but I like the shape formed by the ellipse tool. And make it so it takes so that it covers 1/3 to a half of the glass. Like that should be good. Then come over here to Blend tool and select a gradient foreground to transparent, and make sure your foreground color is white. Then hold down Control for a straight line and drag down. I want it a little bolder than that. That's good. So once you have it so that the top of the text looks like a nice glassy color, I guess you could say, you want to select None and then select From Path, and that selects the text only. Then we're going to Control-C to copy and delete our text layer. Select None and then paste, or Control-V. We'll title this top text. The next thing we need to do is come back to our text tool. We have to type in exactly what we typed in before. I typed in glass text and capitalized the G and the T, so I'll do that exact same thing again. We want to make sure that the color is white and then drag it up to where it just covers our text. You can see it because you won't be able to see any more of the gray. Alright, that's pretty good. We move this layer down and duplicate it twice so that we have 3 of the white layers. Then we can make our background black. Next, we're just going to create our glow. So we select the first white text and make it 5. Then we come to the next one, make it 10. And for the last one, we make it 15. Now, the reason we made our background black is because I pasted mine onto a black layer. However, if you were planning to paste yours on, say, a green layer, you would want to make your background color green, because there's no way to select only the text and the glow. You see, what you have to do is select a rectangle around the text. So that would include some of the background color, so you want to make sure it's the same color you're pasting it onto. So once we've done that, we're done with our text and we can paste it and rotate it as we'd like. Third and final thing that I'm going to show you how to do is how to add the nice reflection on the iMac. I'm not going to show you how to put the custom text because it's just what we learned earlier with the iPod. Let's get started. We're going to want to bring up the picture of whatever we want to add the reflection on. All we have to do after that is select the layer that we have our image on, do a select all, copy, and then paste right on top of it. Then we're going to come to our flip tool, flip vertically, affect the layer, click once or twice depending on if you have to double click, drag this down so that it's right below our first image, title this layer reflection, bring the opacity down to about 50, and there we go. The problem with this method is that we can't kind of diminish the reflection. There is a way to do this, but I don't have enough time to go over it in this video. See you next time. This has been a GIMP tutorial by iMaster. Thanks for watching. Bye.